Hey there, Terra fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property Group, and today we are out in Terra, Estero, Florida, previewing our newest villa listing. This is 21391 Terra Boulevard. It's the Orchid floor plan, 2 bedrooms plus den, coming in right over 1,500 square foot. Let's walk in and take a look. So right off the entry to the left, this is where you're going to find your guest bedroom here. And here they've got the wood flooring. You've got your bifold type closet doors here. Right off the guest bedroom is your laundry with the full-size washer and dryer. That's your access to your garage and some additional storage right above there as well. You've got your guest bath right up here with your single sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower. Now, going past the entryway here, it opens up into a nice great room space with your dining room right here. But directly to our left first, this is your den. It's a true den. There's no closet here. Again, no carpet, which is a really nice feature here. You've got the plantation shutters on the windows as well. So nice flex room here that you can utilize. And back out into the main area here, you've got your kitchen off to the right here. So nice sized kitchen, plenty of cabinetry, plenty of storage space, stainless appliances, nice pantry there as well. And then you've got this nice open great room design here. Plenty of room here for a few bar stools at the kitchen counter. In your living room space here. Right back here in the corner, this is your master suite. Really nice size master. For perspective, that is a king size bed there, and there's still plenty of room on the side with some larger nightstands. Then we come into the master bath here. So you've got his and hers closets. You've got a standalone shower. You've got the soaking tub, your commode, and then you've got your dual sinks here as well. Last but not least, we're going to head outside and take a look at the views here. So coming out onto your screened in lanai here, beautiful views of the preserve back here. And one of the nice parts is also everything that you see out here on the lanai is included, even the spa that you see here. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.